Hello, I am the Delta, and today I will be reviewing the 11th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver and the Master's Laser Screwdriver. I will start off with the 11th Doctor's Sonic, and then I'll move on to the Master's Screwdriver. Right. As far as the packaging for the 11th Doctor Sonic goes, it is quite standard. It has the blue vortex pattern on it, as well as some what look to be the stars on the inside of the packaging. The majority of the packaging is clear plastic, so you'll be able to see into the through the packaging itself to receive a toy. And the packaging actually seems to suit Sonic rather well, as they are both from the 11th Doctor era, and they seem to go together quite nicely, in my opinion. I will put a picture of the 11th Doctor Sonic in its packaging up for you. The Sonic is kept in a half extended position, meaning that it can't be activated by the button on the handle or the one on the base. So to use it, you have to take it out of the packaging. Let's move on to the toy itself. When the toy is in its closed position, it gives off a dormant vibe, and it acts as if it's waiting to be used. Features on the closed Sonic are pretty much the same as the one on the actual prop, bar the claws here, because they stick out of it, which is rather ridiculous. The green bulb emitter, which is encased within the claws, is at the top, and going down the upper length of the Sonic, the plastic is a coppery brass colour with the gnarled lengths of plastic / metal, providing a sharp contrast to the coppery section. Going on to the actual handle of the Sonic, the activation button for when the Sonic is in close is about halfway down, meaning it's here, and the actual section itself is black in colour with a faux leather look to it. And going down, there is a brass-coloured ring here, and then a sort of creamy white porcelain section here. And then going down again to the base, there is more of a coppery section. There is a indent here. Not sure what it's for, but kind of looks cool. And then it goes down to the end cap, and if you lift it up, you can actually see the button for when the Sonic is going to be used in the extended position. when the tool is in its extended position, and well, to get it into the extended position, you have to press this button here and switchblade. Hey. The claws snap outwards, as you've probably witnessed, which makes the Sonic actually look properly activated, and it kind of looks like something you didn't use. Doesn't mean to do that. Going down again, you can actually see a green column has been revealed from within Sonic, along with a sort of brass coppery ring around here. And that is the only other addition to it. Now, to activate it in closed mode, you have to press this button here, and there are 2 sounds and 2 hidden sounds, so and to activate it in the extended position, you have to press this button here. I tend to do it with my little finger. So there we go. And now it cuts off. I'm not sure if that's the batteries or the fact I wasn't holding it down properly, but I actually quite like this Sonic. It's not in the top 10, but it's alright. Rather large, but there, and that was the 11th Doctor in a nutshell. Other than that, I think the Sonic is a rather nice addition to my collection. Tell me what you think about this of the Sonic in the comment section below. On to the Master's laser screwdriver. The packaging. Well, let's actually get something straight. As the toy is already out of the box, since I've had this for about a year, I would have put it up sooner, but I didn't have the tools that I needed. But I'm doing it now. So, moving on to the packaging. As this was part of the 50th anniversary set, you can actually see the 50th anniversary logo, or not, because you don't have enough light, so I'm going to simply just grab a small light here. There we go. On the inside of the packaging, you can actually see some high Gallifreyan, if I can. Yep, hang on. Oh, instructions. Thank you guys. You can see some old high Gallifreyan, which is the circle alphabet. And on the packaging, you can actually see a picture of John on Sims Master here, and a little thing saying down here that it's from the 10th Doctor era, and it's the Master's laser screwdriver. You can see a picture of the laser screwdriver in its extended position here, and on the back you can actually see another picture of it here, and how to change the batteries here. Also character options logo, and the old style Doctor Who logo. That's enough for the packaging. Let's move on to the toy itself. Now, starting from the top, the laser screwdriver has three prong-looking things. I have no idea what they are, they're just there. They look like prongs, and which has the yellow, gold / orange LEDs, and which actually simulate the lights of the laser screwdriver. Going further down, you can actually see a section here, which then leads off to this, which actually shows some plastic that's been molded into the shape of rivets and painted black. Then going down, you can actually see a gold band across here, which actually houses the sound chip for the laser screwdriver. Now we have another silver section, and then we go on to the main body. As you can see, there is a gold band here, which then goes down to the old hand grip section, as well as the isomorphic controls, which by the looks of it house another sound chip, and the activation switch, which going further down from that, it has two fake screws moulded into the plastic here. Going down, we have a nut or a bolt that's been moulded in here. Then another gold ring section. And now for my favourite part, the correct porcelain section. If I can... Hit it like that. And when you turn it like this, it makes a little clicky noise, which is actually possibly my favourite gimmick of this whole thing. And this actually works as the setting dial for the screwdriver. Now going down, you actually have a bunch of circular steps on the base, which kind of provide a sort of futuristic look to it. I'm not really sure. Well, to extend this laser screwdriver, you have to press down on here, and it just springs upwards. Now, to activate it, you can press down here for the lights and sounds. And you can spring load it like this, and then activate lights and sounds from there. My overall opinion of this is, well, it looks kind of industrial and clunky. And the bottom section looks like the master threw it on at the last minute. just so it could incorporate a small piece of technology onto it. But other than that, I actually rather like it. It is a wonderful piece of my collection, and it is in my top 10 screwdrivers from Doctor Who. The whole cobbled together look gives it its own sort of status among everything else, allowing it to have its own style and stand apart from the rest. Tell me what you think of this screwdriver in the comment section below. Right, we have now reached the end of the review. So, like, subscribe, do whatever, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.